that flows from the pulpit to the congregation, that the congregation feels what is being said by the minister. Empathy means being able to get into the situation of the people. The preacher must cultivate that kind of empathy in order to reach the people in their circumstances. Hindi pwedeng hindi alam ng preacher yung kalagayan ng mga tao because you will just be ranting and raving to deaf ears if the people feel that you are way out of line to their situation. You have to know. You have to have a sense of awareness, putting yourself in the people's shoes, getting under the people's skin, feeling with the people what they feel. Kailangan, alam mo yun, for the electrical current to flow. Huwag sana tayo mag-preach na nakatayo tayo sa pulpit tapos may malaking pader sa harapan natin at nandyan yung mga tao. Wala dapat ganun. Dapat may current of communication na nakakaabot dun sa mga tao.
Amen.
Now, let me just say, it is not a one-way street, yung empathy. Ano? It is a two-way street. The preacher also needs to be encouraged to know that the people are listening and the people are taking in the message and the people are not distracted or sleeping. The preacher also needs to know that by looking at the faces of the congregation. I have spoken to churches, brethren, whom I feel that the people have not been trained to listen. And there are times when imbis na tapusin ko yung message, parang pinutol ko na lang parang nawalan ako ng gana Parang yung mga tao, patingin-tingin sa paligid, hindi sila focused, hindi concentrated. I was trying my best to get their attention, but it just seemed that these people were not trained to listen. They were not trained to see the importance of preaching, and they were there merely for attendance, or they were there merely for routine, but they did not see the point in the preaching. The people's reaction